Let's get started with the Pandas package. What is Pandas? Pandas stands for Python Data Analysis Library. This name is derived from the term panel data. It is an econometrics term for multidimensional structured data sets. Before we dive in, let's have a quick background about this Pandas package. So he's the man, McKinney, behind developing this Pandas package. Before Pandas package, most of the analysts, they were using languages like OR to perform any kind of data munging or data pre-processing activities, and also to perform any SQL-like operations between data sets. They were using OR's data frame. By 2008, Wes McKinney, out of a need for a powerful and flexible quantitative analysis tool, he has developed the Pandas package. It has an extremely active community of contributors. Pandas is an open source, popular, and it is a popular Python package or library, and it is widely used for data analysis and data science. It is built on top of another package named Numpy. It is written in Python, Python, and C language. Pandas has robust built-in data structures for organizing and manipulating data. What Pandas does, it provides a rich and a high-level interface, making most common data tasks very concise and simple. Pandas also provides some more domain-specific functionalities like time series manipulation, which is not present in Numpy. Besides this, in Pandas, we can import data from various file formats like JSON, Parquet, SQL, Microsoft SQL, and so on. So what is a big deal with Pandas? What can we do with Pandas? We can match high performance data sets in an efficient manner, and importantly, we can perform label oriented slicing. It helps us to reshape the data sets as well, and also it has the capability to work with different types of objects, and we can perform grouping, SQL like operations like grouping, aggregations, joining more than one data sets, and you can perform the data imputation. You can create pivot tables and deal with the dates. So what is the difference between Pandas versus Numpy? Numpy is the fundamental library of Python. It is used to perform scientific computing. It provides high performance multi-dimensional arrays and tools to deal with them. But if you want to perform any SQL kind of operation using Numpy, it is a bit challenging. So that's the reason why they developed Pandas. Pandas work on tabular data, whereas Numpy work on numerical data. Pandas has two workhorse data structures. The one is series, the other one is data frames. And Numpy has arrays, and Pandas consumes more memory, whereas Numpy consumes less memory. Indexing of Pandas series is very slow. Indexing of Numpy arrays is a bit faster. And Pandas offers a two-dimensional table object called data frame. In data frame, you can store the data in the tabular format, whereas in Numpy, right, it offers multi-dimensional arrays. To get started with Pandas, you will need to get comfortable with these two workhorse data structures. The one is series, the other one is data frame. In the subsequent video, let's take a deep dive in understanding these two data structures.